everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we are going to see a very special South Indian style chicken kurma. We're going to make this nice fresh masala that goes into this kurma, and this particular kurma is perfect for tiffins like idli, dosa, idiyappam, appam and even chapati. So let's get started and check it out. To begin with, we're going to prepare a fresh aromatic masala. To a mixer jar, add 5 shallots, 2 chopped green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies depending on how spicy you want your kurma. Now add 10 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon of roasted gram, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds, a small piece of cinnamon and 2 cloves. Now add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut to the jar. Grind everything together first without water to get a coarse mixture. Add water gradually and grind it into a smooth and silky paste. Transfer this fragrant masala to a bowl and keep it aside. Now let's move on to making the kurma. We're preparing this in a pressure cooker. Heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, drop in your whole spices, a piece of cinnamon, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 bay leaves, 3 cardamom pods and a small piece of stone flour. Next, add 2 thinly sliced onions, 3 slit green chilies and a handful of fresh curry leaves. Saute them patiently until they turn to a nice deep golden brown. This step is important. Unlike regular recipes where we move on to the next step once the onions turn translucent, this kurma gets its color and depth of flavor from properly roasting the onions. So don't rush, let them roast gently. Once the onions are perfectly roasted, add 2 teaspoons of freshly made ginger garlic paste and saute well until the raw smell goes. Now add 1 kg of clean chicken pieces. Add them to the cooker and mix well over medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix everything again. It's always safer to add slightly less salt at first. We can adjust it later if we need. Once the chicken loses its raw pink color, pour in the freshly ground masala. The moment the masala hits the pot, your kitchen will be filled with all that irresistible aroma. Weekend lunches are always special. So do let me know what non-vegetarian meal or dishes you prefer eating on the weekends. Now add 2 medium-sized tomatoes chopped and mix them gently with the chicken. Add a generous handful of mint leaves and another handful of fresh coriander leaves. The mint and coriander will give this kurma a very refreshing flavor and a vibrant fragrance. Next, add the little leftover water from the mixer jar. Then pour in 2 cups of water for the chicken to cook perfectly. Mix everything thoroughly. This quantity of kurma is perfect for serving about 4 to 5 people. Close the cooker, place the weight and cook for about 2 whistles. Once done, turn off the stove and wait patiently for the pressure to release. Chicken is one of the most favorite or popular proteins that many of us enjoy. Let me know what your favorite protein is and how often do you make at home. Now let's open the cooker. There you go, you can see this delicious white chicken kurma that has come out beautifully. It's creamy, aromatic and packed with flavor. Flavors are spot on and the aroma is absolutely heavenly. This recipe is a real delight for all the chicken lovers out there. It's creamy, rich, flavor-packed white kurma which is perfect for soft idlis. The chicken is cooked to perfection. It's tender, juicy and coated with that luscious gravy. I've poured a generous amount of that beautiful chicken kurma with these nice hot idlis. It's time to enjoy. Wow, the flavors are just incredible. Well, I love idlis, so I've paired this chicken kurma with idlis. But let me know what is your favorite combination in the comment section below. Well, as you can see, this kurma has a lot of beautiful flavors and it's pretty simple and straightforward to make. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.